Hey, welcome to this today's session here. Do you want to become a high performer marketer? Like, how do you become a high performer marketer who gets consistent sales, leads, grow business, and expand your business anywhere on the internet? Okay. In today's topic, in today's live session, मैं आपको बात करने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे कि 6 steps to become a high performer marketer and grow business. And I'm telling you based on my experience, and I learned from my mentor like Tony Robbins, Russell, and so many there are mentors. I'm going to share today inside updates. Okay, 6 steps which can change your game no matter what you are doing. You are just starting your business, you are an advanced level, or you are running Facebook ad, you are doing any kind of things. These 6 steps can literally help you become a high performer marketer. Not only help you get quality customer, but how do you convert them into paying customer and build your brand? Okay, that is a part. If you are excited for learning, you can type in comment box. Super duper excited. Welcome guys. Thank you very much for being here. All right, so number one thing, without taking much of your time, is I'm telling you guys, first and most important thing is, okay, you can see on my screen, you need to have the product or idea result driven and problem solving. मतलब जो कुछ भी आपका प्रोडक्ट है, solution है, it has to be problem solving. It has to be result driven. It has to be the long term planning. How many believe that one, guys? If you're watching this in the right, you can type in comment box. That is the number one thing, because I realize only creating product or creating service, we have to think about customer first. कि boss, मेरा जो product है, service है, what problem it is solving. Okay, marketing come after this one. Okay, I will talk on that part. So do you have that product, or yes or no? You can follow these 6 steps as a checkpoint in your business. Yes or no? Do you have the product or service which is solving the problem, or idea? जो कुछ भी आपका idea हो सकता है, you can, आप comment box में type कर सकते हो yes or no. People who are watching live, आप comment box में type कर सकते हो yes or no. If yes, type in comment box big yes. Yes, I have the product or idea or solution which solve the market problem. We solve the customer problem is the number one thing. If you really want to become a high performance marketer or entrepreneur. Okay. Second part is really important part. I'm telling you, you need to have customer attraction system. Okay? What is, guys? Customer attraction system. I was there. I was having good solution, good products, but I was not getting leads 24/7 for my customer. My eyeballs were not coming. हमारा एक ही रोल होना चाहिए. How can we get more eyeballs on your product, service, consulting, no matter which industry you are in? Guys, do you have that customer attraction system? I mean to say, I get lots of lead from Facebook. I get lots of lead from YouTube. Even though what I'm doing right now, Facebook Live, or you're watching on the YouTube also, it's a part of that method. If you are somebody interested, I'm adding the value, I'm being the visible, I'm getting more eyeball on my brands. What is, guys? You can type in comment box customer attraction system. You can do आपका Facebook ad हो सकता है. I do really well in that job. Facebook attraction system. Even though you have low budget, you can go Facebook live use, YouTube videos. If you're on LinkedIn, you can create on LinkedIn, Instagram stories. Most important thing I learned from one of my mentor, Dan Kennedy. The only role of small business owner, or you are thinking to start, we need to have predictable magnetic customer attraction system. दोस्तों, आपके बिजनेस के अंदर है क्या? Yes or no? Customer attraction system is really important, because I call it the live blur of business. Okay, that is important part. You can do Facebook marketing, lead generation, I teach in my programs. You can do organic part, word of mouth. That is one of the part. Referral marketing, so many things. Okay, second was the attraction system, and third now is really important. Third step, you need to have lead conversion system. देखो guys, lead generate करना is one part, but how do you convert them into paying customer is the number one thing, because that will bring you money in the business, like sales. How do you convert them into paying customer? Even though so many people are running ad on the Facebook, they say Data yaar, my ad is not profitable, I'm not getting customer attraction, they're not responding to my ads or anything like that one, or I'm not getting ROI. People don't sustain there. इसके लिए आपके पास lead conversion system होना चाहिए in the paying customer. You can have like webinars, online selling, direct selling, strong follow-up system, automation, and so many things. जैसे कि I was teaching in my community here. I told you, right, some part online sales purchase, you can do online funnel, strong follow up system hona chahiye, result you can do the showcasing, testimonial, objection handling, rejection handling is really important part. Okay, so first point was like you need to have a problem solving idea. Second was customer attraction system, I call it the high performance marketing system that I teach. And lead conversion system is really important, convert lead into paying customer. And dosto, fourth is really important if you really want to build long term sustainable business. Why 90% people fail? 90% business fail because they are not working on the brand building, strategic brand building, influence building. You need to start building your social media profiles, your YouTube channels. You need to be visible on the internet. आपका किसी ने भी नाम टाइप किया आपका ब्रांड का, or your brand, your company, your product, you should be visible. You can go to the Google and type my name, Datta Tule. You will find my YouTube channel, my podcast, my website, everything. That is a really important part because dosto, the world has changed and the way of doing business has changed. People check out online. And that is a really important part because you cannot rely on the paid ad only. You need to generate the organic ads and influence build. Okay, that is the fourth system. You can learn on more on that part. And fifth part here, I personally learn. If you want to build $1 million business, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore business, what is the difference? You cannot run business on typical system. You need to have system for your SMS automation, marketing automation, webinar automation, email automation, lead automation. It can be anything. That is the one thing. Today, I think in my business, how can I delegate or automate? Delegate as an entrepreneur, as a small business owner, we need to think about how can we delegate. किसी को assign कर सकते हैं, or you need to put the system. I do crazy automation actually. Okay, that is the one thing because I learned from my mentor and I'm on that journey now. Without system, because I strongly believe system work, people fail. I mean to say why people fail. Without system, people will fail. So that is the important part. If you really want to dominate in 2021, 2022, whenever you're watching my video, system is really one thing is really important. And I teach in my program, not only generating lead, but how do we put system for education, marketing, automation, appointment, and there are so many things. Okay. That is a really one thing. If you believe, you can type in comment box, I believe. System work, guys. Okay. All big brand, $1 million, billion dollar business have that system. Okay. Now, sixth part is really important part. Become a capable person. How many believe that one? You have a system, you have money. We need to become that capable person. So what I mean to say capable person is number one thing here, personal development. Your mind, body, soul, energy, health and fitness, communication. There are so many things. Communication skill, public skills, video creation. Because I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking to you because I speak it. मैंने 3 साल में master किया है. I think it don't take more than 6 months to 1 year. More than less. इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है. So video creation for my selling, marketing, Facebook live, YouTube live. I am sitting here. You guys are watching my video. आज कम लोग देख रहे होंगे. Tomorrow it will be watching thousands of people my video. Even though I am sleeping, I am enjoying. That is the part. Become a lifelong learner. Because most important thing, you have to become a lifelong learner. Invest in workshop, invest in programs, learning yourself, health, fitness, anything there. Okay. And most important thing, fifth point in the become a capable person. Only professional people, only champion, only athletes have the coaches and a mentor. If you invest, pay on that one, I pay a lot of money on that part because I believe I want to become a great entrepreneur. So I invest in coaches and training. And those, I told you right there, health, fitness, relationship is really important part. You can do that part. Okay, become a capable person. Let me recap today's steps. Okay, first thing as a part of, if you want to become in order to become a 6th step to become a high performer, marketer, or entrepreneur, the step number 1 is you need to have a product idea or problem solving. It has to be problem solving and result driven. Think about that one. If you want to make like so many network marketers, they are just bringing some company and किसी के गले में मारते. But you have to think if you want to build long-term business. Product, idea, solution, whatever you are selling, physical, digital, it has to be problem solving. Because खुद का दोस्तों conviction का power है. Conviction का power है. You should be convinced with your product, solution, offering. Second part, if you don't have customer attraction system, you don't have business. You need to have a strong marketing system. I do basically, I do so many things like Facebook lives, Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, and I will share the link also if you want to learn really. You can go to datatole.co/ digital growth, and you can attend one of my workshop, and it is like a very nominal price. Okay. Third part, once you have the leads, third part, you need to have lead conversion system. How do you convert lead into paying customer? That is, you have to think about follow-up system, sales system, and communication part is there. And uske baad mein you have to start building your brand. I told you YouTube channel influence building is really important if you want to build world-class business. And uske baad mein system and automation is the only solution in today's fastest growing digital world to grow your business. And I have implemented that one. We are only two people. I have 1,000+ students, and there are so many clients who are using system for that one. If you want to learn, I will invite you for one of my program. And sixth is to become a capable person, ability to speak confidently. I'm going to say work on your mindset, body, integrity, and that is the part. Okay, guys, if you really love this one, you can type your comments, whatever we cover so far. You can type in comment box. I would like to personally answer. What is the number one problem you are facing in your business? You can type in comment box. I will feature your comment and I will answer live. Meantime, if you want to really learn step by step all this formula, I would like to invite you for my upcoming workshop. This is called High Performance Facebook Ad and Funnel Workshop or anything. You can click on the link below and check out that one. Basically, you can go to dattatuley.co/digital growth. Okay, you can go there, check out my upcoming workshop. Want to learn more? You can do that part. Okay, I will just share it in the comment box. Okay. Meantime, anyone here, like if you have any question, queries, if you're watching on the YouTube, you can please, if you want to get this kind of golden nuggets, you can do one thing here. You can subscribe to my channel. If you are watching on the Facebook, please share with your 3 friends, 3 partners, because sharing is caring. जो बंदा ज्यादा share करता है, who get back. Okay, किसी को benefit हो सकता है. If somebody, your friend, partner, business, if somebody is struggling, confused, or you want to give somebody gift, okay, you can go on the WhatsApp, share with them, let them watch, let them take massive action. Okay, guys. And even though you can share comments, I will personally review and reply. I personally review my Facebook comments, my YouTube comments, and reply back to you. Okay, guys. If you think this is a useful, powerful, share your comment below, and I will personally reply to you. Okay. Also, I'm looking forward to meet you in the upcoming calls or upcoming workshop. Check the more details below in description. Thank you very much. And I'm looking forward to meet you again. Okay, guys, my name is Datta Tuley. I'm a digital growth consultant and Facebook ad master, automation master, helping entrepreneurs, helping small entrepreneurs, Facebook advertiser, online marketer to empower and dominate in online marketing. Thank you very much. मिलते हैं अपकमिंग लाइव कॉल के अंदर. धन्यवाद.